You hit first scan, first one, select this address, find out what access this address, yes. Keep going to the same one, these. Just back over. You wait for them to pop up. Sometimes it takes a while. Here you go, add to code list, exit, add to code list, exit, add to code list, exit, add to code list. Then you'll double click, and you'll change to 70. You'll hit Control C, hit OK. You do the same, and then Control V. You do the same to all of them. You'll go here, and boom, you're done. And it also lets you make units for the same price. That's all.